This beautiful sound that you just heard was generated using exclusively additive synthesis. Additive synthesis means that instead of taking a harmonic-rich signal like a sawtooth signal and removing some of these harmonics, we add one by one these harmonics. In other words, sine waves, at different frequencies to create some specific timbre. And by successively adding and removing those harmonics, we create a movement like in the sound. Now let's see how this works. Look at the vertical bars here. Every vertical bar that you see in this window represents one harmonic signal, in other words, a sine wave. Let's start with a single sine wave and remove the filters and effects that were used to process this sound. As you can see clearly, we get one sine wave and therefore a very pure sound. Now, if we kind of pseudo-randomly add more sine waves using this particular feature here, we can clearly hear the timbre change and the sounds being modified over time. And then we can use a comb filter, which will remove some specific frequencies from the resulting signal to add more complexity to the sound. In other words, we use additive and subtractive synthesis at the same time, which yields to this interesting sound. As a final touch, we can smooth the signal by cutting the aggressive high frequencies and add some reverb effects to make it even smoother and beautiful.